The experience of effortless mind is something we commonly attribute to athletes, artists, writers, poets, and philosophers. This state of consciousness is not bound by the limitations of the mind, but rather finds infinite expression and laser-like focus within the limited framework of our mental capacities and lives. We generally think of this mental state as being in the zone. We can sense this state when we watch a star athlete achieve the impossible, or when a group of musicians improvise and feed off each other's energy to create a rhythmic synergy that nourishes our ears and inspires our hearts. And yet there is an intrinsic paradox to being in the zone. In all crafts, to be effortlessly in the zone requires focused and sustained effort without any intention to achieve effortlessness within the mind. The effortless mind of the craftsman, then, is evoked by skillful effort without the intention of achieving that end. It is as though the craftsman and the craft are essentially one. Their effort is actually effortless because it is devoid of a person doing it. It is just happening spontaneously of itself in harmony with everything else. Craftsmen have this ability to be one with their craft without the sense of a person doing it. This is what interested the wise of the ancient East. As a result, the documented birth of martial arts was based on the effortless mind of the craftsman. The martial artists focus on trying to cultivate an effortless mind where being in the zone is one's ordinary state of mind all the time. The first traces of spiritually oriented martial arts and their focus on health, longevity, and physical immortality can be attributed to the philosophy of Yangju, who is credited with the discovery of the body. His philosophy is known as Yangism. Yangju's discovery of the body eventually led to the Taoist sciences and practices of martial arts and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Both of these sciences are an extension of Lao Tzu's Tao Te Ching. They extend his philosophy into a science with practical application for daily life. But modern-day students and practitioners of martial arts and TCM lose sight of this fact. These misinterpretations have been growing for thousands of years and are at their peak now. It is the result of interpreting Eastern philosophy through Western and New Age filters, and also of the growing population of modern Easterners who have lost contact with their traditional roots. All these and the problem of taking metaphors literally lead to a misunderstanding of key concepts, which then leads to an unintelligent spirituality. This leads to our modern cultural habit of embracing control, force, and intellect at the expense of wu-wei. Essentially, this means that our world embraces the yang, masculine, heaven, active, doing, heat, over the yin, feminine, earth, passive, non-doing, cool, which is slowly but surely destroying the world.